ACER CNC Toolroom Mill ATM 1054, a most versatile and affordable CNC toolroom mill. 13 great reasons to go ACER Toolroom Mill ATM 1054. 1. 5 horsepower CNC inverter motor. High efficient motor for high torque output and fast speed change. Two, this CNC toolroom mill comes with ACER's most powerful E-mill 5VK head.
With Toshiba's 5 horsepower S11 inverter, it can run both single and 3-phase power. Phase converter is not needed to run single phase. Machine also adapts wide power range from 185 to 250 volt on 220 volt and 390 to 510 volt on 460 volt. 3. Infinite 50 to 3750 RPM NST40 spindle with constant spindle speed. Change full speed range within 4 seconds. 4. No frequent breakdown and mechanical wear out due to fewer component design. We eliminated 54 parts from the old Bridgeport type head design. 5. Electronic and mechanical brake for fast spindle stop. 6. ACER E-mill provides electronic brake for boring and taping application. 7. USA made Allen Bradley switch and push button electronic component built for long life usage.
8. With large travel, XYZ are 31 inches, 20 inches, and 21 inches respectively for easy machining large parts and tall parts. Spindle center to column face, 24 inches, provides small footprint with large machining capacity. Maximum distance between spindle nose to table, 25 inches, makes machining tall parts with ease. 9. All 3 axes are hardened and ground Rockwell C55 coated with Terside B. Machine also comes with C5 precision ball screw to provide speed X, Y, Z 200 inches per minute for smooth movement. Y and Z are boxways and X dovetail ways provide stable XYZ movement. 10. Massive Mehanite FC25 cast iron construction weighs 4,600 pounds with boxway to support table load up to 1,500 pounds. Our casting are internally reinforced with heavy ribs to resist flex and damp vibrations.
11. Machine is integrated with Fagor 8055I/A-MC control, which can run conversational program. And G-code, M-code program. 12. Control comes with powerful features. 1. 11-inch color TFT LCD screen. 2. Conversational mode. 1 screen, 1 operation. Fill in the blanks and press cycle start. 3. Interactive icon-based conversational programming system. 36 cycles. 4. Full G-code programming with interactive help screens. 5. Built-in mini CAD/CAM system. 6. USB memory port standard, Ethernet optional. 7. Tool path and solid graphics simulation standard.
13. Large capacity 3-liter auto lube are standard on this machine, which immediately provides lubrication to all surfaces once you turn on the machine.
Over 30 years, the ACER mission is to bring quality assured, price competitive, service committed, availability immediately for the full solution to your machine's need. We maintain accuracies within tens of thousands of an inch. The accuracy is machined into each and every part. With California and New Jersey's 2 facilities for stocking finished machines and spare parts, we are able to ship a variety of machine models and service parts immediately upon order. Through a nationwide network of factory-trained, full-service distributors, ACER can provide the industry's most committed service and customer support for each and every machine we sell. Check our price and you will be surprised as how affordable it is. Join us. We hope your next large tool room mill will be ACER Bed Mill.